inside the Niger Delta.
76-year-old Beauty Ogere Siasia, mother of former player and coach of Nigeria's Super Eagles, Samson Siasia, was recently let off the hook of her abductors. 77 days after she was kidnapped from her Udoni country home in Sagbama local government area of Bayelsa State. Madam Beauty Siasia, appearing frail and weak, spoke to Inside the Niger Delta shortly after she was released on Sunday, the 29th of September 2019.
The sickness at the sick side, they buy the tablet itself, food, they sell shop every day. Sometimes food will not there, themselves they drink gari, me say they drink gari. They go money, they cook the shop, they cook soup, do a bar, gari, all of the shop. Now so they do tea. They talk say they are don't take for day again. Say my wahala say they tired them. Make it go.
The septuagenarian's abduction on July 15, 2019 was the second time she lost her freedom to kidnappers who first whisked her away from her Udoni country home in November 2015.
I don't know for reason, no. I don't know for reason, no. Only God know. I don't know. Because of that Samson. Because of that Samson. Because of that Samson. Say my picking the MAMODE. That's what they worry me like that.
Released alongside the aged mother of Nigeria's former striker and Super Eagles coach were her minder and one Seyefa Sami, who was also kidnapped while attempting to negotiate her release.
At times they will bring gari and beans, pulo gari and soup gari, yellow soup. But it's not well. Yellow soup with the gari again. We go carry gari, they swallow gari again. Morning, evening, at times afternoon, they will come. They will beat me, tie me up, so that I cannot go and do anything with them. Because they are guiding me with at least 4 people now they guide me. Mosquito, everything, sunfly, everything now they bite me.
Commissioner of Police in Bayelsa State, Uche Anozie, said the release of Madam Siasia followed intensive pressure on her abductors.
We gave them relentless pressure, and the pressure has paid off. And that is the reality we have seen today by her release. All over the world, policing is done with the collaboration of members of the public. Without the partnership of members of the public, it will be a little bit difficult for the police to achieve meaningful results. And that is why we are calling on members of the public, each community, to partner with us to ensure that we fight crime in their various communities, so that they will be able to go about their lawful businesses unmolested by criminals.
The recent development is a huge relief for the distraught Siasia family, particularly Coach Samson Siasia, who had earlier made a passionate appeal to the Nigerian authorities to secure the release of her mother.
Inside the Niger Delta.